Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add more columns in your Google Sheets file. So as you can see here, this is my data, and then I'm going to show you how to add some more columns. So if you want to add the more columns at the end of the table, you can just type in here. But if you want to add more columns in between the existing columns, you can just block the columns like this. For example, I want to add 3 more columns to the right. Just block it and then right click, and you'll find the insert 3 columns to the right option. Just click on that. But if you want to add more columns to the left, just click on insert 3 columns left, just like that. Okay, but if you want to add columns in at the end of the spreadsheet, for example, let's go to the end, and then you want to add more columns in this, just do the exact same step. Block the columns and then click on insert six column right. Okay, as you can see, you can add more columns just like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.